Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to quickly switch drill bits easily. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a drill and it has a bit at the end of it. And I'm going to show you and tell you how to quickly switch between one drill bit and another drill bit. It's really, really easy to do and you can get the job done quickly. So take a look at the drill right here. This is the drill, okay? This is what I like to call the chuck. I believe that's what it's called. So this is the chuck over here on the drill. And essentially, the drill bit right now is locked in place. The chuck is tightened around the drill bit, okay? So what you want to do is you want to loosen the chuck, okay? Which will release the drill bit. You see these little sort of claws over here? These three little sort of metal pieces? Those are tightened around the drill bit. We want to loosen them. Well, how do you loosen them? Well, essentially, you're going to sort of hold the drill with one hand, okay, like this, and you're going to get the chuck with the other hand. And the way that I'm going to loosen it is if I'm looking at it from the back over here, okay, I'm going to turn it clockwise. So I'm turning it clockwise when I'm looking at it from the back. I'm going to turn it clockwise like this. We're turning it clockwise. And as you can see, with a couple of turns, the drill bit has now been loosened and I can remove it. You're then going to go ahead and you're going to get your new drill bit. Okay, and you're going to put your new drill bit in place. Try and get it nice and centered sort of between those claws, like I said, and then you're going to tighten them. So to tighten them, you're going to take that same chuck and looking at it from the back, as I said, looking at it from the back, you're going to turn it counterclockwise. So now I'm turning it counterclockwise, and you want to make sure the drill bit is nice and centered. So I'm turning it counterclockwise. Okay, once it's like decently tight, you can sort of release it and then give it a nice solid turn counterclockwise like this. Give it a nice tighten like that. And we've now switched the drill bit easily. Really, really easy to do. And you could do it, you know, faster, obviously, if you're not explaining it. So once again, if I was to switch it without explaining it as thoroughly, basically I'm looking at it from the back. I'm going to turn the chuck to loosen it. Wow, I did that really tightly. I'm going to turn the chuck to loosen it, okay? Once it's, you know, loose enough, I can remove the drill bit. And then I can put a new drill bit in place. And with that new drill bit in place, I can turn the chuck to tighten it, okay? And give it a nice solid turn so it's nice and tightly held in place. And that's it. You've switched your drill bit easily. Really, really easy to do. And I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.